Ho, 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 ho. Volume 95. Volume 195. 195, let's go.
A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright, we got names here for volume 195. And then we got new prizes added as well. Yeah, we're gonna shuffle it. Yeah, change up all the prizes each time. Make it exciting. Alright, Julie, you want to pick a name and then Rocket pick a prize. That one? Okay. And this one is for, thank you, for Araceli Rubio. And she gets a randomly picked color for a couch. Congratulations! Yeah. Alright. Or else I won't be able to pick the prizes and the names.
Daddy,
You
you
name?
can put the foot there, Daddy.
Okay, but they'll see my bare feet. It's okay. Alright, your turn to pick a prize. You can put your feet here. Alright, pick a prize. Which one? Be fair, you just pick one. Alright, this one? Alright. Alright, this is the name. Tracy at Shine Bright Creations gets a 10% coupon. Congratulations. Alright, your turn to pick a name. Please draw a name. Go, go. Your turn. Pick a prize. Alright. Yeah. Emma will be getting a white sanitizer spray pen. Congratulations! You're too close, you can see it. There you go. Alright. Rocky, your turn to pick a name. Zuli, your turn to pick a prize. Alright. Alright, Jenna Andrews, you get a bee surprise set of bees. Congratulations!
Surprise! Hello.
Alright, come back. Alright, Zuli, your turn. Pick a name, please.
I want to show Pikachu.
They can't see it. They're the back.
Pikachu.
Okay.
Pikachu.
Alright.
That's also a good one. That's also my favorite.
Yeah, you like it?
Everything
Or is
my
the
favorite.
puppies your favorite? Okay, and we have a purchase here by Emeralds and Fairy Lights. And she gets 5 stubs. So one, she gets a pink ribbon. A pink ribbon, a pink pin. Okay. They can't hear me. Okay, I'll pick another prize. Para maubos ng prize. She also gets a cabochon keychain.
I say he.
She, because it's a girl. Okay, another prize. Another prize. Okay, show Pikachu. Show. She gets a randomly chosen pin. Another pin for her. And then Rocket. I picked the middle one. A diamond painting logo, diamond shop logo, diamond painting sticker. Whoa, more prizes were added. Awesome. Okay, Pikachu, pick another prize. Okay, and she also gets a $20 gift card. How many is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 5. Those are her prizes. Congratulations. Alright, so we have our next name. Zuli fixed it already. Is Oslam Spross. And the puppy is getting a prize for you. And Oslam, you get a 20% discount coupon. Congratulations.
Coupon. Do.
Alright, bring it back here. Pick a prize. Alright, we'll fix it. But pick a prize. Alright, thank you. Alright. Thank you, Pikachu. Thank you, Puppy. Alright, we got another purchase here for Mary Ann Baukhan. 2 stubs, so we get 2 prizes. First is a gem.
2
A
prizes.
reminder.
Like my 2 eyes.
And okay, come back here. Pick another prize. And a bro. Congratulations, Mary Ann. Yes, put that down there. Okay, next name. Name. Whoa. And then prize. Alright, thanks. Oh, wow. Debbie Mayer, you get a $30 gift card. Congratulations.
Gift card. That's a lot.
Alright, Julie.
Cookie.
Alright, can you pick a name?
I'm surfing.
Got a name? Okay.
Could be 1 step or
Alright, Julie, can you pick a prize, please? Thank you. Later, the tree might fall. Alright, we have a purchase for Anna, from Anna Guerrero. She gets 3 stubs, and she gets a discount coupon and 2 more prizes. Can you pick one, please? And another one. Okay, pick one. You get a 10% discount coupon and a mystery gift.
mystery.
Wow.
What will it be?
Look at that. 2 10% discount coupons and a mystery gift for Anna Guerrero. Congratulations. And then, alright, looks like we have a couple more purchases. Purchases here. One name, please. Alright. 4 stubs for Antonio Rodriguez. That's a lot of stuffs. Alright. Okay, 1, Julie.
4 steps.
2, Okay. Alright. Let me see these. Alright. So, who's this person? Antonio Rodriguez, 4 stubs. Thank you. And you are getting a gray pouch or white pouch. That's light gray pouch. A gem diamond cover mind. Not a cover mind. A diamond paperweight. A $30 gift card. And a Boracay keychain. Congratulations. Okay, now I had to get more prizes because Marika Buckley has 9 stubs. That means 9 prizes to pick. Wow, wow, wow. Alright. Pick one. Pick another one. Okay, pick another one. That's 1, that's 2. Give me that one. And reveal it after. 3. Yeah, we'll take that up later. Okay. 4. Wait. Reveal later. Another. Okay. So, Pikachu. Another one. 6. Come on. 7. We'll reveal it later. 8. 9. Okay, let's check. Do we have 9 prizes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, Marika Buckley, you are getting a, look at this. Getting a bear. Getting a mystery gift. Getting a $20 gift card. Getting a beads container. Getting a rainbow pin. Getting a blue sanitizer pen, spray pen. Getting a white sanitizer spray pen. Getting a $20% discount coupon. And a Cabochon bookmark. Wow! Congratulations! That is for volume 195. And some purchases. Congratulations! Bye! Say bye-bye!